Did you know that the Bougainvillea gets its color not from its flowers but its leaves? The magenta, crimson, purple, red, pink, orange, yellow and white of the Bougainvillea are thanks to its modified leaves. The Bougainvillea is named after the first Frenchman to circumnavigate the world. His name, Louis-Antoine de Bougainville. One of his stops was Brazil, and that's where botanists sailing with him discovered the plant. The plant was named Bougainvillea by the official botanist on board, Philibert Commerson. Now here's where the story gets an interesting twist. Commerson was traveling with his mistress, the botanist Jeanne Barré. She was dressed as his male valet because women were not allowed on the ship. She was the one who first observed the Bougainvillea. By the 19th century, the plant made its way from South America to Europe. From there it spread to Australia and other European colonies. Today it's a popular ornamental garden plant around the world wherever the climate is warm. Bougainvillea now comes in some 300 varieties, which are all the product of interbreeding amongst the 18 varieties originally found in South America. It is but fitting that a plant that has spread its brightness around the world be named after Bougainville. Not only did he introduce the South American native to the world, but he was one of the first people to sail around it. I'm the English Nut, and it's bye for now.